Today we're gonna talk about how to enhance your property's security. Let's get started. First, choose the right material. Choose durable materials like steel or vinyl, and aim for at least 6 feet in height. Second, add height and barriers. Increase height with barbed wire or trellises for extra deterrence. Third, secure gates properly. Install heavy-duty locks and self-closing mechanisms on all gates. Fourth, incorporate surveillance. Add security cameras and motion-activated lights for monitoring. Fifth, regular maintenance. Regularly inspect for damage and make timely repairs to maintain security. Sixth, plant defensive landscaping. Use thorny shrubs to deter intruders and keep the area clear for visibility. Seventh, install anti-climb features. Consider anti-climb features to make it harder for anyone to scale your fence. Eighth, create a security zone. Establish a clear zone around your fence and use lighting to illuminate the area. Ninth, consider community security. Engage with community security initiatives for added vigilance. 10th, professional consultation. Consult with a professional for tailored security solutions for your property. And there you have it. Implement these strategies to enhance your security with effective fencing. Should you need professional help, call us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.